Night Clan Hawkstar doing another audition for... Oops, what was it? Okay. Dog in a wolf pack, yeah. Sorry, I use iPhone and I have an iPod Touch, so I have to go back and forth and stuff. Now I have to rewatch it. I'm doing Leica. I think that's Leica. I usually have a hoarse voice, and I can do evil, I think. Hold on. It's loading. I have a wolf character named Loiki that looks kind of like Leica, or I think. Is that how you pronounce her name? If that's not how you pronounce her name, I am sorry. And your pictures look better than Tripple's. Just saying. Okay, here it is. Layla. Okay, here we go. The lines. Oh, Rock, look what we have found here. Another wolf of the pack of scars. What should we do? Oh, right, kill her. And then, wait, I don't know how to say it. It's just like, oh, hi, Pa. I don't know. I'm supposed to say that because he didn't say anything about that. So, yeah. Okay. If it's closed, this is going to be awkward. So, tra-la-la. Let me find your name. Okay. This is for the Thebloodysprout. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All done. Again, Night Clan Hawkstar. Signing. Wait, no, not signing off. Just like, whatever.